Thinking of sending money to your friends or family through Western Union? Follow these simple steps and get your money sent in minutes. Hi there, my name is Beauty Angie. Welcome to Tech Talk on TechHunter.ng, bringing you everything tech and media. If you need to find a location, go to www.westernunion.com and use the Find Location button up there. It'll bring up quite a number of places close to you. Without further ado, let's go straight to the video. Number one, the fastest way is to fill out the details from your Western Union mobile app before arriving at any branch. And do make sure that you provide your email address and phone number to be notified about the progress of the transactions. And don't forget to go with your ID card. Number two, take note that most locations are cash only, but some do accept debit cards, depending on the location. Number three, while completing the required information, make sure the receiver's name is exactly as it is on their ID. Otherwise, they might not be able to pick the money. Number four, once you complete the transaction, the cashier will give you a tracking number. Send that tracking number to the receiver so they can track the money as well, and also because it's needed to complete the transaction. And finally, tell the receiver they need to go pick up the money with a government-issued ID card, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it really helpful. Please like, comment, share to your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.